Alright, for sale here I have a custom Chrysler Straight 6 dual carburetor, dual exhaust combo manifold. This is a custom piece I had made from my hot rod project, which I sold before I got to install. And included with it, I took the time to do my research and got the exact hardware that you would need to install it, because of course the factory manifolds have different size stud lengths than you're going to need to install this. So here's a look around at it. They're made for the factory type single orifice carburetors, 2-bolt. Here's the collectors at the bottom. Here's a view of it from here. This is going to make your hot rod project complete. Custom dual carb, dual exhaust. Now this was from my 1940 Plymouth Deluxe. So do your homework, figure out if it will work for you. I'll give you a little closer view here of the bolt pattern so you can see. And yes, there is a keyway made for right there. I have that as well. Comes in a bag. Good luck.